Today I'm going to be talking about reading and writing JSON data. First, you import the JSON module. Then I'm going to create a simple JSON structure. You'll notice that the JSON data format looks very much like a dictionary with a key and value pair. Let me show you a simple example. I will make a simple dictionary called people_ages. So let me display the dictionary. Okay, so there you can see it right there on the screen. Now I'm going to write that to a JSON file. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, now you'll see it's created a JSON file here, and you'll see it's basically taken the dictionary and it's written it to a file. Now I'm going to read the file back and we're going to process it. Okay, so there you can see I've read the data in using the json.load function, and I'm going to print it out. And you can see it did the read and it's printed out the data using the print function, and there is the data. Okay, so now I'm going to process it and show it in a nicer format. Okay, so let's run that code. And you can see now that's the first print statement, and then it's processing all the items one line at a time. Okay, so let's move on to something a little bit more complex. We're going to make a student list that contains a list of student data in the form of a dictionary. Okay, so there we have a list with two dictionary items in it. Okay, so let's run that code. Okay, and now we should see a JSON file here called student, and you can see it's a list, and in the list there's two items that are a dictionary. We're going to read that back. Okay, so now let's print it out. Okay, so now it reads it back, and you can see there you have it, a list with two dictionaries in it. Now we're going to process it a little more and show each item on a line. Okay, so there you see, after we have run the code, you can see it has extracted the data, and you can see it nice and clearly, each item separated by dashes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day. Cheers.